Hi everyone, my name is Pablo. I'm going to present my library bird's eye view. As you can see, this is the settings. So my library has, as you can see, this red arrow indicate the doorway is coming in, and then close to the door it has the yellow box here. This is the query box where when students are coming, when students want to need improvement or regarding library, then they are going to write the queries here and then drop it over here. And then right hand corner it has notice board. This is where the library rules and the special events regarding library will be placed here, so that when students come in, they can easily consult the notice board. And then just right hand corner, there's this is the artwork corner. So whatever artwork that students will be doing in the school, so they are going to come and place over here. And then just coming down, as you can see, the long rectangle, blue color here, this is the bookshelf. This is where all the books will be kept. So the bookshelf will be organized, the David decimal system will be used to arrange the books. And then there's a space here. This is where the students, especially the junior primary students, when they want to discuss something regarding reading or do research, they are going to sit somewhere around here and then do research. And then left hand corner, we'll have 4 tables in place. This is where the students will come, sit over here and read after borrowing the books. So they are going to sit in pairs, some will sit in fours. And then right hand corner, this is the technology corner. When school is available with technology devices, it will be in place here, so that the students will come around here and then use the devices, especially tablet or laptops. So table is arranged in fours, so students will sit in, chairs is arranged in fours and also table. Students will sit in pairs and then they are going to use the laptop or tablet. And then just the middle close to the door, there's librarian table. As you can see, the table has 2 chairs. So this one is for students and this one is for librarian. So if students come across, or if you want to seek help from librarian, he or she may come and sit over here and then talk with librarian. And thank you everyone.